You can record your Xbox One gameplay in two different ways. One for shorter clips up to 2 minutes long, or the second option is for longer footage up to 10 minutes. We will show you how to record for both options in this video, along with a bonus method for capturing even longer gameplay up to an hour using an external hard drive. It's possible to retrieve a clip of the last 2 minutes of your Xbox One gameplay if you want to retroactively record short footage of something that just happened. Right after you experience that epic gaming moment, press the Xbox Guide button in the middle of your controller. Here you can see recording options. Click the View button to access the capture options. Now choose how far back in time you want your recording to start from. You can choose anywhere from 15 seconds to 2 minutes. Xbox will compile the clip and let you know when it's finished. You can review your latest recordings and view sharing options by pressing the Xbox Guide button. Then go to the Capture and Share menu at the top. Go down to Recent Captures. Here you can select the clip you want to share. Go to All Sharing Options, choose your share option, and your clip is sent and ready to be edited or shared. You can also prepare for recording longer Xbox One gameplay ahead of time. By going with this option, you can record the next 5 minutes of gameplay or as much as an hour with an external hard drive. Now let's access our record settings to make sure they are correct for the type of recording we want. Click the Xbox Guide button on your controller, then go to the Capture and Share menu at the top. Then click on Capture Settings. Here you can choose the length and quality of your recording. 720p has a maximum internal record time of 5 minutes. To achieve longer recording times up to an hour, use an NTFS formatted external drive plugged into your Xbox via USB 3.0. And back in your settings, make sure your capture location is set to your external drive. Once the settings are where you like them, you can start recording by clicking the Xbox Guide button on your controller. Then go to the Capture and Share menu at the top. Then click Start Recording. You'll be prompted once your recording has finished, and you can then share it any way you like. If you want your voice to be recorded over the clips, we suggest you use an external recording solution such as Audacity, and then adding your voice recording in later. Check our link in the description below to learn how to use Audacity. What other questions do you have on Xbox? Leave a comment below.